Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use cloves and virgin air fertilizer for a faster hair growth. These two combinations will grow your hair faster, thicker and longer. It will also regrow your edges. So if you're interested, grab a seat and let's get into it. And the first ingredient I'm going to be using is clove. So I have blended the clove off the camera just to save time. If you have the powder cloves, you can go ahead and use those as well. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of cloves because I don't want to make much. I still have some left, okay? So if you want to make more, just add more cloves. Cloves has an amazing benefit on our hair. It helps with blood circulation to the scalp. It's amazing for thickening the hair. It fights against dandruff and it also prevents premature graying. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add sweet almond oil and grapeseed oil to the mixture. Almond oil and grapeseed oil is amazing at promoting hair growth. It's strengthening and repair damaged hair. It's also amazing for scalp issues such as dry scalp. The next ingredient I'm going to add is shea butter. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of shea butter. Shea butter is amazing. It's super moisturizing. It helps with length retention. It repairs split damaged ends and it softens dry brittle hair. The final ingredient I'm going to be adding is the virgin hair fertilizer. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of virgin fertilizer. Just in case you guys are wondering, I purchased my virgin hair fertilizer on Amazon, so you can also purchase it on eBay as well. So virgin hair fertilizer is super amazing at promoting hair growth and healthy hair growth. If you're struggling with thin hair, this cream would definitely thicken your hair in no time. It's amazing at treating no edges, as well as this, it's amazing and effective treatment against dandruffs. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix the ingredients together. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you're watching this video and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. In this channel, I do DIY video that can help you grow your natural hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix the ingredients together. I have water boiling on the cooker already. Now I'm going to transfer the mixture to the cooker. This method is called the double boiler method. I'm going to allow the treatment to infuse for about 20 minutes on a low heat. After 20 minutes of infusing on a low heat, I'm going to allow it to cool down. Once the oil has cooled down, this is how the oil looks like. So the next step is optional, okay? So if you don't have vitamin E, it's fine. I'm going to be adding a drop of vitamin E. This will help with the lifespan of the oil. Next, I'm going to go ahead and strain the mixture. You can use any strainer that you have, such as wig cap or cheesecloth. After straining the oil out, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply it if you have a protective style. So as you guys can see, the hair is very dry. Friday was the wash day, but I was too tired to do anything. Like, I was just knackered. So I'm going to go in with my clove water. Okay, so this is my DIY clove water. Okay, so if you guys want to know how I made this cloves water, okay, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Do definitely check it out. This is my go-to DIY. Okay, it works. It really does work. So it's worth a try, guys. Definitely do check it out and give it a go. Then I'm going to go in and apply my leave-in conditioner. So guys, just apply any leave-in conditioner that you feel like your hair loves. Okay, after applying the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go in and lock in the moisture using my DIY moringa and fenugreek hair butter. If you want to know how I make this moringa and fenugreek hair butter, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So do definitely check it out because you guys will definitely love it. This hair butter is amazing. Okay, it will moisturize your hair for weeks. So now I'm going to go ahead and lock in the moisture even more by applying the Clove and the Virgin hair fertilizer to the scalp as well as the hair. So make sure you focus on your scalp. Okay, so remember, our hair grows from the scalp, so make sure you apply this treatment to your scalp as well as your hair and your ends. So don't forget to massage the scalp as it promotes hair growth. So the benefit of this treatment is that it will help with hair growth, it will treat bald patches and alopecia, it will help with faster hair growth, it will retain length, it will moisturize the hair and prevent dryness and breakage. This treatment can be used after wash day, before wash day, or just to lock in moisture. You can also use it when you install a protective style. Okay, it can also be used as a hot treatment. You can add it to your deep conditioner and also your hair mask treatment. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and also if you're watching yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. As I said before, in this channel I do a lot of DIY video that can help you to grow your natural hair. So do consider subscribing to my channel. I promise guys, you will definitely love this channel. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.